Samuel, right? Okay, we was on Samuel. So your skin and these demons, the genius inside of you, right? Is just you clearing out this human virus, if you will. You feel me? This idea of that you have to be, human and all this other, or have to, be a bumbling fool. You're a spiritual being, right? You're a chaos being, right? Y'all remember what I told y'all about chaos? Chaos is just melanin, right? Chaos is venom. Chaos is your ability to create, right? Peter Pan, Wendy, right? That's what chaos is. Let's keep it rolling. So what does Samuel mean? Sa, to storm away, sweep away, whirl away. Ma, for the sake of El, God. So just like the Hanuman mythology, right? And Hanuman is a savior to, or going out to be, in alignment with Rama, right? It's just saying you reaching up and grabbing your higher self, or understanding your higher divine mind, right? Your spiritual mind, right? They want to take you out of your spiritual mind. They don't want you to think like a god. They want you to think like a human, right? Get up, go to work, brush your teeth, eat, come back, do it all over again. Watch TV, watch the football game. Say that I be trying to watch that football shit. I can't even. I'll be like, damn, this shit, it's not even doing nothing for me no more. God damn. And then over and over and over again, same cycle, right? Have your weekends and stuff, right? So you want to get into the space of understanding that this is what they want you to stay in, the fear state, the low vibrational states, right? The space where you can't think for yourself. You feel me? People are just putting you in this machine, if you will, and you're moving and just being a automatons. Well, not y'all, because y'all are the gods. So again, my book Chaos, right, it helps you break up the mundanity, right? 23 chaotic actions you can do to start shifting out of your mindset, out of the robotic ways. You feel me? You want to do that stuff in there, like, run a red light, steal from Walmart. It's not necessarily just the act of it. It's you freeing yourself from any society rules. You feel me? And getting back into a magical mindset. That's the whole point of it. Because I got childlike spirit in there and all of this stuff, right? We're coming back into our right state of mind, our chaos state of mind, which is a childlike thinking, if you will. You feel me? Being free and playing and laughing, right? Shit, I'm going outside after this to play. Shit, you feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna run around and shit, have fun. You feel me? So you wanna do these things so you can get out of the drudgery of this world. All right, so Jesus killed by own people on the cross. Jesus killed by his own people on the cross, right? And the cross is just you in the box. You feel me? So these dudes are reflections of, this Jesus, if you will, right? But they're stuck, they're trapped, they're in a box, right? The 22 is you stuck on the cross, right? And the box, or the tetrahedron, right, turns into a cube, but it's also a cross, right? Think outside the box. You feel me? So you want to understand that you have to start thinking differently, right? So this is what you want to do. You want to think outside the box, be creative, start moving in a different space than the mundanity of the world. You feel me? Than the human thinking of the world, the zombie mode. You feel me? Because you want to get into being yourself again, God, right? So religion keeps you in a box. You feel me? Religion keeps you in a box. That religion just means to bind you, right? to have you conformed into some kind of place and stuff like that. It's some kind of mindset, right? And your skin is a religion, right? If you still playing the race thing, right? Your skin can be a religion. Your gender can be a religion. I'm a man. You feel me? Your occupation can be a religion, right? Religion literally has you binded down and imprisoned, shackled to the cross. You feel me? So all these semi-religions that you putting yourself in this box in, right, is keeping you trapped, right? And a box is what? 4 squares, 022, right? Or 2022, right? And is your heart boxed in? So when you think about this box or this prison that you created for yourself, right? Yeah, I'm a Houston Texan. Yay, let's go Texans. Yay, Rockets. Yeah. You have to break free of all of that. Now, obviously, you can have your favorite teams and stuff like that. I'm not saying no shit like that, but I'm just saying you have to really challenge your mind and say, wait a minute. Am I stuck in the space where I can't free myself from, being binded to anything? You feel me? There are no rules. You make the rules, right? And the only way you make the rules is if you're a spiritual worker, right? The conscious dude, Adam and Eve, right? Now, some of y'all might be a conscious dudes because y'all niggas